Greetings and welcome to this case study. Today I'm going to do a case study on GBPNZD. So as you can see on the chart, we are on the 1 hour time frame and we are on a serious downtrend. You can see on the chart. So where we are focusing more on is where we enter this trade. We entered at the change of character in the lower time frame and we took profit in demand zone here. We noticed the demand zone here. I also noticed that we had a change of character here. That's why we took profit. So let's go down to the lower time frame to see what actually happened in the chart. So this is the 15 minutes time frame. Here, market mitigated this supply zone here before the change of character. Then we took profit at another change of character here. Because we're expecting to go down, but it didn't. Let's focus first on this area before they take profit. Now this is the 2 minutes time frame. We have had a notable change of character. We had a break, a sweep of the Asian high, then another break to the opposite direction, sweep of the ocean low. We had this demand zone here that actually failed the demand zone on the final structure. So it actually failed the market. So we'll go to another lower time frame to see this entry. So this is the 5 minutes time frame. It's very hard. The change of pattern is visible here. But our actual entry is not here. Our actual entry is in the 3 minutes. But this is what happened here on the chart on the 5 minutes. After this mitigation, after this demand, the market mitigated this demand supply zone before this change of pattern. So we'll go to a lower time frame, they'll explain it more. So this is our 3 minutes time frame. As you can see on the chart, the specific point of interest is not visible yet. So we will say something about what happened here. We had a little change of character here in the market. Then after this change of character, we mitigated a supply zone, which is this. We had another break here. We had another break here. Then we mitigated this supply zone. We had another break here. We did this one, but we are waiting for a full confirmation higher time frame before we can enter the trade. Let's go down to another lower time frame for this point of view. So this is the 1 minute time frame. Now the chart is very much visible. Let's zoom in. As you can see on the chart, this is where we took our entry. This specific demand zone, clean candle, two candles here. That's where we took our entry from. That gave us this trade. So what we had for this trade was 1:92. 1:92. So this is what the actual entry looks like. So like I said earlier, we had a change of character here. The lower time frame had a break to the downside. Then we had inducement here. Going to get this supply. Had another break. Came back and use that as inducement. Get another supply. Had another break. Came back and get this 5 minutes supply. Then had a full change of character on the higher time frame. We now came back and mitigated it. And this supply zone. This is what the actual entry looks like. This candle here. So this entry is still much as a CHoCH plus flip entry. CHoCH plus flip entry. No, it's nature. High, low, high, high. Mitigation. Mitigation. Hard. So this is just a replica of the concept of what happened in the market. So to now take our entry at this point and downward to a liquidity market. So this is it. This is exactly what happened in this one. So go back to the 15 minutes. So that's how we took that entry. So that's how we took that entry. Then for the take profit, we noticed an impulsive move here in the market. There's an impulsive move here in the market. Notice this buy candle here. You see that the trend is changing. So if you go to a lower time frame, we see that we had trade of character here. So decided to as the market is going to come back to this zone, put our stop loss here. So this is the 3 minutes time frame. This is where I had a change of character. Created this demand. We also broke structure here. It came down, mitigated this inside. This was not inside, but created this demand and created a refinement here. After this break we had here, market came down and mitigated another demand zone. So that's it for this case study. We are what we had for this case for this trade is 1:6, 1:92, 1:92 risk to reward ratio. That's it for this case study. See you on the next one.